Today's video is all about you. Well, it started off with me. I was in the process of putting together a video featuring my favorite products of 2024, but what I wanted to know is, what were your favorite products of the year? So what are the products that you actually purchased from watching my videos? I was able to find this out from affiliate links. Now, I use a partner who pulls all the information together, and they were able to give me the top 20 products that you purchased in 2024 using my links. Now, firstly, I just want to say a very huge thank you. It has been such an exciting year. I hit 25,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you.
Yay!
Yay! Because you watch, you share, you comment, you like, all of these things help my channel to grow. And I truly appreciate you sharing your time with me because I know how precious it is. And secondly, I want to thank you for trusting me enough to actually try the products that I recommend and love. So when you use those links, I get a small commission, and that's what allows me to buy more products and then share them with you, which I'm sure Gary wishes I didn't do that. Eyes raised. So thank you. This channel is only here because of you and perhaps my love of talking. Another eye raiser.
I'd say nothing. I know food.
See, you don't have to say anything to get a lot across. You know that, right? So on this list, I have to say there were some serious surprises. And in fact, number one even really shocked me. So I'm going to fly through items 20 through 11 and then slow down a bit for the top 10. So here we go, guys. These are your favorite products of 2024. So coming in at number 20 is by Jones Road. It's the Just a Sec Bright Eyes eyeshadow. And I have to say, I did not see this coming. I did a video applying a full face of Jones Road makeup, and yes, I loved this eyeshadow, but I don't think I ever mentioned it again. That was it. But somehow, you guys seem to get it. Number 19 is also by Jones Road. It's the WTF What the Foundation Tinted Moisture Balm. Now, I know this is not for everyone, but I really like this product. It's great for mature and dry skin. So if you're oily or combo, it's probably not for you. But I do know a number of you love this as much as I do, but I was still kind of surprised to see it made the list. Number 18 makes me happy, and that's because it's so effective. This is the Allies of Skin Multi-Peptides and Growth Factor Advanced Lifting Serum. I did a video sharing before and after photos, and the wrinkles were definitely reduced. Now, I do have a discount, which helps because this is a really expensive product. Now, it is sold out right now because I tried to get a top up, and I assume it's sold out because it's so damn good, but it is a firm staple in my middle-aged routine, so I am waiting for the restock. And I guess you guys wanted to try it too. Number 17 is the face oil by Maysama. Y'all know I love Maysama, and they actually feature here a lot. This is the Green Rooibos Biofirm Facial Oil, and I am an oil girl, and this was such a great addition to my routine. The Green Rooibos is a powerful antioxidant that also has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. It just feels so good on the skin. Number 16 was a surprise. It is the Calisym Professional Serum. Now, I use this product specifically with medical microneedling because there are very few things I'm going to put on my skin that are safe for use during that process. Now, this product contains a complex of proteins, growth factors, and cytokines. So this complex instructs our cells to repair and rebuild. Now, it's just a surprise because I don't really talk about this product a whole lot, so I was surprised to see it made the list. And that leads me on to number 15. This is the one that I was expecting. This is also by Calisym. It is their advanced hair system. I am obsessed with this because it actually works. It grew me new hair where I had no hair, and I'm not joking. So I know this works, and I know a number of you have tried this too because you've told me, and you've told me it works. Number 14 on the list is a beauty device. It's the Joves Blacken DPL Photo Rejuvenation Skincare Device. DPL is Dynamic Pulsed Light. Now, after only 6 weeks of using this, it greatly minimized the discoloration of scars that I've had on my face since high school. And I actually didn't realize how many of you guys gave it a try too. Curious to know what your thoughts were. Number 13 was a new launch by Allies of Skin, and you know how much I love them. It's called the One SPF 50 Invisible Sunscreen Gel. This product is completely clear. It has tons of skin-loving ingredients, and it's incredibly lightweight on the skin, which makes it easy to apply over and over again. So it's perfect for summer when you're out at the beach or you're out in the elements and you need to keep putting stuff on. This is a great product. And it was clearly one that you guys wanted to try too. Another product by Maysama comes in at number 12. It's the Urchin. This is such a special device. It is small but mighty, and I think it appealed to so many of you because it has 5 different modalities, and it's such an incredible price. Now, number 11 is another one that I expected, and that's because I can't stop banging on about it. It's the Apres Bond Repair Treatment. This is a pre-shampooed product, and I use it every single wash, applying it directly to dry hair. And I think this has made such a significant difference to the condition of my hair. And I know from many of the comments that you guys have left below that you feel the same. It's just so good. So guys, before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, I would love if you would hit that like button so that it reaches more people, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now we are hitting the top 10, folks. These are your top 10 items from 2024. Number 10, I have talked about so much on this channel. It's the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum by Dermalect. It is my holy grail exfoliant, but it's also packed with antioxidants as well as soothing ingredients and hydrators and collagen builders, and the list keeps going on and on. This does not sting my skin, and it doesn't cause any irritation, and I wake up in the morning and my skin is just glowing. I am obsessed, and clearly you are too. So coming in at number 9 is another device by Mesama. It's the LED hair growth comb, and again we have a little workhorse here. It contains both red and blue LED light therapy. It also has pulse light, might I add, and it also has EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation, as well as radio frequency. Plus it has this little removable compartment you can fill with any serums you want to enhance your treatment. It's lightweight, it's ergonomical, it's perfect for travel, it works, and it comes in under $200. It's just so great for those of us struggling with hair problems. Next is the only makeup product to make it into the top 10. Coming in at number 8 is RMS Beauty's Re-Evolve Natural Finish Foundation, which I'm wearing today, by the way. I love this foundation. It is by far my hardest working makeup. So this is what I wear when it matters, right? When I need that flawless finish, or I need makeup to really last, which no makeup seems to do except this one. It's also clear to me that a lot of you are thinking the same thing because it made the top 10. Now, as this list shows, I'm way more about skincare than I am makeup. It's just not my forte, but this makeup makes me feel like it is. It's that good, in my opinion. Coming in at number 7 is also from Mesama. It's the Prana LED Light Therapy Mask. Their products have taken LED to another level with the addition of pulse light technology. I've done many videos about this and why it's great for skin rejuvenation. Another great thing about this mask is the ability to turn off infrared light, and that's something that people might want to consider if they have darker skin tones or those who suffer with melasma. I love this mask, and it looks like you do too. Number 6 is right behind the last one by Mesama. It is their Pulse Light Therapy Panel. This has been a staple in my routine for ages. I got it last year, and I love it because it has all the same technology as the mask, but it sits on my desk and it can treat my hair, my face, my neck, and my chest all at the same time. I'm not surprised that both of these products are so high up on the list because I use them all the time. I did recommend both of these a lot this year. Now, number 5 is also not a surprise. I yell about this from the rooftops because I cannot get a good night's sleep without it. It is the Olapillow by Sleep and Glow. Now, this is specifically designed for back sleepers, and I love her. What this tells me is that there are actually a lot more back sleepers out there, or people attempting to sleep on their back, than I thought. And I really hope if you bought this that you love this thing as much as I do. And if you're interested, by the way, I do know they're doing a sale right now up until the 27th of December. Mary Skin 50 will get you $50 off this pillow. Also, their Omni pillow, which is the side sleeper version, which is great. I also think I used that for a year and a half before I found this one. Mary Skin also gives 15% off the rest of the site. Okay, I'm starting to see that there's probably a correlation between my enthusiasm for products and your desire to try them, because number 4 I got very excited about. It is by Naturium, and it's called the Barrier Bounce. Now, y'all probably know this, but my ultimate skin goal, aside from skin health, is bouncy, juicy skin. That's it. I'm actually not even worried about the wrinkles. I'm not even ultimately that worried about the sagging. I just want dewy, plump skin. And this is the product that gives it to me. The very first time I tried it, 4 hours later, my skin was still hydrated. I didn't have to mist. It felt bouncy. I was shocked. And this product is only $24. Obviously, this appealed to you too because it's high up on this list. This next one actually did surprise me. Coming in at number 3 is another device by Maysama. Gosh, they have been very, very busy the past couple of years. It's the Bion Stone Gua Sha LED Facial Massager. I guess this is what I would call a souped up version of Gua Sha because it has LED light therapy, it has heat, and it has vibration massage, and it sort of supercharges your routine. And when you pair it with the Maysama oil, it is a match made in heaven. I think I was just surprised to see how many of you guys are Gua Sha'ing. I mean, it's a practice that's been around forever. I just don't hear people talking about it all that much, but I guess you're loving it too. I just think it's a great little device, and I'm glad so many of you have it. Okay, number 2 is definitely one of my, if not the most repurchased products in my routine. It is also by Maysama. It's the Green Rooibos Pressed Serum. Now, y'all know I LED every single day, and I only LED with this product. Not only does the Green Rooibos protect the skin, but research shows that it supercharges the LED sessions by more than 250%. So I just never LED without it. I've used this product for so long, but I'm now making the switch to their new lighter version. So when my last bottle empties, I'm going over to that, and that's what I'm going to repurchase. By the way, I buy them in a 3-pack because I always want to make sure I have backups. And number 1, the most purchased product of the year was by Bloom Effects. It's the Royal Tulip Moisturizing Nectar. I really couldn't believe it. I could not have predicted this. I really could not have. And I don't know why. I mean, I adore this product. To me, I call it my little secret weapon for dry skin. Now, this product, as well as all of the products in their line, are made from tulips. These guys are based in the Netherlands. Tulips have incredible skin benefits. They protect the barrier function, they lock in moisture, and they stimulate collagen production. But this is something that just quenches my skin. And right now in these winter months, it's the last thing I put on my skin, and it is just glorious. I had no idea how much this appealed to you guys too, because it's the number 1 product. More of you bought that than any other product I've talked about. So if you'd like to try any of these and you haven't yet, I will make sure that there are links for these down below, as well as discount codes. But if you were the purchaser of any of these products, please leave your comments and your thoughts down below, because we would love to know what your experiences were. Like, I'd really like to know if you liked these as much as I did, because everything on this list is something that I positively adore. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, or maybe you were introduced to something new, and if so, please remember to like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I really appreciate you guys joining me today. I cannot wait to see you in 2025, and I hope you have a nice holiday. Bye.
Do you have any news, Mary, for your subscribers for end of year?
Are you talking about the thing on my finger?
I might be.
I might have a new ring on my finger, guys. I may be a fiancé. Bye.